Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add text to your video in CapCut. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your CapCut. Go ahead and click on Edit tab. Go ahead and upload your video, a new video. Select the video you want to add text to. Click on Add. Having uploaded the video in the CapCut editing workspace, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, Add Text. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Add Text. Now you are here. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and enter your text right here. So once you click on Enter Text, you can type in whatever you want to type. Add text. Just like so. Once you add text, you can expand or adjust or rotate your text. If you want to rotate, you can rotate this way. The more you drag, the more you are going to see your rotation size. However, if you don't want it this way, you can as well rotate in another way around. Everything depends on how you want your text to be. You can reduce the size of the text. You can take this text to another position as the case may be. You can adjust the text just like so. Once you are satisfied with everything right here, then you are good to go. Then you have different text layer and text animation right here. So you can scroll down right here and choose different options. So for instance, I want to use this template. Just select on it, allow it to download. After a successful download, it will be reflected into your text right here. It's that simple. If that is not what you want, you can go ahead and then return back to default and you back to your normal text right here. You can go on and use different templates right here to see how your text is going to look more unique, or better still, you can click on fonts right here, use different fonts as the case may be. This is another font. If you want to change the font, click on download the font. Once you download, automatically it's going to be added into your text right here. So you can go ahead and increase the text size as the case may be. If you're not satisfied with the text you use, you can scroll to the top right here, click on system font, it will return back to normal. It's that simple. Once you are done, go ahead and click on this check mark to accept the text, and it's going to be permanently on your video. By the time I start to play this video from this point right here, let's play the video. Now you have your text in the video overlay. It's that simple. For more tutorial on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.